Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy camper tours, off-road motorhomes, and the latest RV technology from around the world, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Right now, the RV market in China is experiencing what many people call a true golden age. Demand for motorhomes is rising quickly, and new manufacturers are entering the industry every year. As a result, we're seeing some incredibly interesting designs and technologies coming from Chinese RV builders. And today we're taking a closer look at one of those new and ambitious projects. Demand for motorhomes is growing rapidly, and new manufacturers are entering the industry every year. One of the brands that has been gaining attention in this fast-growing market is Xun Feng. Their new Kuanda series, built on the JMC Dadao pickup chassis, is not just another camper. Instead, it represents an ambitious attempt to combine serious off-road capability with the kind of refined comfort you would normally expect from a premium yacht. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. The camper features an aggressive, futuristic silhouette inspired by the Mecha style. Sharp angles, graphite tones, and integrated auxiliary lighting give it a bold and futuristic appearance. But behind this striking design lies some serious engineering. The body is built using 5-layer sandwich panel technology. The manufacturer, Jiangsu Xun Feng, has more than 30 years of experience building refrigerated truck bodies, and that expertise has been carried over into the RV. As a result, this camper offers one of the best thermal insulation performances in its class. The roof is made as a single molded structure using carbon fiber and reinforced composite materials. This design virtually eliminates the risk of leaks, a common problem in many traditional campers. At the heart of the vehicle is the JMC Dadao pickup in a special version called Gantanze, which translates to Explorer. The chassis was developed with significant input from Ford engineers, and that influence is noticeable in every detail. Under the hood sits the well-known 2.3-liter Puma turbo diesel engine. It produces 177 horsepower and delivers an impressive 450 Newton-meters of torque at low RPM. The engine is paired with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, providing the smooth driving experience typically associated with premium vehicles. Inside, the ceiling height reaches 1.96 meters, creating an airy and comfortable atmosphere. Above the driver's cabin is the main sleeping area measuring 200 by 140 centimeters. There is about 80 centimeters of headroom, allowing you to sit comfortably without hitting the ceiling. Separate windows provide ventilation, and USB ports are available for charging devices. One unique feature is the integrated tea station designed with custom holders for a kettle and teacups, a subtle nod to Chinese tea culture. A 142-liter Thetford refrigerator provides both refrigerator and freezer compartments. The Xun Feng Kuanda is designed for complete off-grid independence. Its electrical system operates on 48 volts, which is significantly more efficient than traditional 12-volt RV systems. The dining area can easily be converted into a second bed measuring 200 by 80 centimeters. This allows the camper to comfortably accommodate 3 to 4 people. The kitchen is thoughtfully divided into functional zones. It includes an induction cooktop, a deep sink with a flexible faucet, and a microwave oven. The system is powered by a 10 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This allows the air conditioner to run throughout the entire night without starting the engine. A 4,000-watt inverter provides enough power to run a kettle, hair dryer, and microwave simultaneously. On the roof, 500 watts of solar panels help recharge the system. The camper carries 150 liters of fresh water, with the tank located in a heated area. This design allows the vehicle to operate even in cold climates. The camper is also packed with smart solutions. For example, the gray water drain valve can be controlled by a button inside the driver's cabin. This means you don't have to step outside into mud or rain to empty the tank. Heating is provided by a 5-kilowatt Webasto diesel system, which warms both the cabin and the water. The interior also features heated floors for additional comfort. A central touchscreen control panel displays water levels, battery status, and controls all lighting systems. There is also a 360-degree camera system with 4 cameras to assist with maneuvering. The bathroom features a full shower and a Thetford cassette toilet. To prevent items from falling while driving off-road, the designers implemented a clever solution: magnetic cups that attach to the cabinet ceiling. Water capacity: 150 liters fresh, 65 liters gray. To summarize the key specifications: chassis, JMC Dadao 4x4 engine, 2.3-liter turbo diesel, 177 horsepower, 450 newton-meters transmission, 8-speed, ZF automatic dimensions, 5,995 by 2,280 by 2,990 millimeters. Energy system: 10 kilowatt-hours LIFEPO4 battery with 4,000-watt inverter climate system, 48-volt air conditioner, and 5-kilowatt diesel heater. The four-wheel drive system includes a Borg-Warner transfer case, a locking rear differential, and reinforced suspension with K-Man nitrogen shock absorbers. For additional comfort and stability, the rear axle is equipped with air suspension, which can be adjusted directly from the driver's seat. An interesting detail about the development of this model is that the project's lead product manager was a woman. That influence is reflected in the remarkable attention to detail throughout the interior. The entrance to the camper is located at the rear, which allows the central area to remain open and spacious for the dining space. Overall, the Xun Feng Kuanda represents a new generation of Chinese RV engineering. The manufacturer successfully combined a capable off-road pickup platform with a living module that rivals many European motorhomes in quality. In terms of energy capacity and independence, it even surpasses many competitors. For travelers who want the comfort of a real bed while still being able to explore remote wilderness, this camper offers a compelling solution. With a price of around 520,000 yuan, roughly $72,000 US, buyers receive a fully equipped expedition vehicle. And inside this camper, every detail, from magnetic cups to high-performance insulation, is designed with one goal in mind: to make life on the road as comfortable and effortless as possible.